It is very important to clean your face before going to bed. I do have very oily skin, so even if I don't wear makeup also, the dust particles in the air get stuck in my face, and that leads to pimples and lot of other problems. So I make sure to clean my face if I wear makeup or not, so that next day I get a very beautiful glowy fresh face. Now, to take care of my skin daily at night, I follow a CSTM routine, that is basically cleanse, scrub, tone and moisturize. Now the first step of this routine is cleanse. I like to do two-step cleansing because I wear makeup. So the first thing of my cleansing is this one. This is the Garnier Micellar Oil-Infused Cleansing Water. Now I do wear kajal, mascara which does not move, and it's in waterproof and it stays for a long time, so I use a oil-based micellar water. So you can see separate to oil and water. So what I like to do, I like to shake it. Once the oil and the water has mixed, I like to take 2 cotton pads to pour the solution. Once I have made the cotton pads damp, I like to close my eyes, put it on my eyes. So I'm gonna wait for almost 30 seconds so that the oil breaks down all the waterproof products. Once I have put it for 30 seconds, so now I'm going to remove most of my waterproof makeup, kajal and all these things has come out. Now I'm going to go gently on all the areas and rub off all the makeup. Once I clean my makeup, it looks like this. Next I'm gonna move into my face. You can see it has beautifully cleaned all my makeup, whatever I was wearing. Next I'm gonna move into my second step of cleansing. So I'm gonna use a cleansing lotion. I'm gonna use this cleansing lotion. This is the Plum Aloe gentle cleansing lotion. So it is very gentle to the skin. I like to take 2 pumps of it, and then I like to massage it in my fingers, and in circular motion very gently I'm gonna massage in my face. If you feel it dry, you can add a little bit of water also. Once I have massaged it, I like to take a wet towel and then I like to clean the cleanser. Already you can see my face looks quite clean. Now next move into the next step, which is scrubbing. For scrubbing, I'm gonna use this Himalaya Herbals Gentle Exfoliating Walnut Scrub with natural antioxidant. This is not soap based. This is a cream based, so I like to take a little bit of it and gently I'm gonna go on all over my face, very gently, because it has a little bit of small granules in it, so you have to be very gentle so that you don't get scratched. If you want, you can add some water also to make it more slippery. This is going to clean your pores, and also it is going to remove the dead cells you have in your face. Now also I'm gonna scrub my lip. I'm gonna wash off my face with some water and then make it dry using a towel. Scrubbing I like to do at night time only, and also after scrubbing while my face is very fresh skin. I don't want to go out in the sun and get burned. So after scrubbing we are going to move into toner. This is going to tighten up your pores. I like to use this Plum green tea alcohol free toner. This green tea in it is going to treat the acne prones in your skin. I like to take a cotton pad and like to take a couple of drops of it and then go all over my face very gently. So I like to wait for some time till the toner dries. Next I'm going to move into moisturizing. Now since I have done scrubbing, so I like to use a serum because the scrubbing has removed all the excess of oil from my face. I'm gonna use this Plunge by O3 Plus Bright Glow Serum. It has a dropper in it, so I'm gonna apply few drops and then I'm gonna massage it on my face, and it instantly hydrates your face. So I'm going to wait for some time till the serum dries. Next I'm going to use an eye cream. I'm going to use this the Body Shop Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Eye Cream Gel. So you need very little bit of this, and I like to go it under my eye, and also I like to go it near my mouth and near my nose, since I do have a little bit of pigmentation, so I like to treat the pigmentation area like this. Then I'm gonna go on my eyelid. Now the next step is the moisturizing my rest of my face. So I'm gonna use a night cream. I'm gonna use this, the Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream. So I like to take it a little bit and massage it in the rest of my face. It is quite moisturizing and easily absorbs into my skin and leaves my skin soft and smooth. So next day I feel a very smooth soft face, and also I like to drag it for my neck area. Next is turn off moisturizing my lips. So I'm gonna use this, the Body Shop Shea butter. So I like to use a lip butter for my lips because this is quite thick and it is not going to rub off and keeps my lips moisturized. Next is the turn for moisturizing my hands. I like to use a hand cream, the Body Shop Almond Milk and Honey hand cream. So I like to keep my nails longer, and also it becomes stuck if I don't use a hand cream. Now I'm ready to sleep. Next day I'm going to get up with a beautiful smooth soft skin. So this is my daily night skincare routine. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you later. Bye for now.